I'm planting Moringa seeds. What am I talking about? So hello everybody. Today I had a subscriber that was kind enough to send me a bag of these Moringa seeds. These are, well, hold on a second. We're going to leave that in there. I have a nest of ants right here, and there's some eggs. I was kneeling on it and I just got bit up. So we'll be right back. So for now, the ants have been rehomed. So like I said, a subscriber was kind enough to send me these seeds. These are a tree, and supposedly the leaves and the flowers are some of the most nutritious things you can eat on the earth. They're packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals. So Moni sent these to me. I tried planting some inside. They did not germinate. I've done some research and I came across a couple of people that said the way you can plant them and help them to germinate quicker is to remove the paper. There's a paper-like substance on the seed and it's wrapped in a hard shell like a nut would be. And that's what takes so long, is for that to decompose and germinate, crack open so the seed can grow. So what I'm going to do is I have one with the shell on, and I'm going to put it right here. Okay? And then what I did was I broke open 6 of them. So let me see if I can show what they look like. So that is them without their shell. And so I'm going to do a couple things. These will not do good in winter outside. These are a warm weather plant, so South Florida, somewhere in the Caribbean, something like that. They want hot weather. They don't want frost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant 5 here in the Oklahoma soil that can grow this summer. They're supposed to be fast growing. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant 5 of them there. 1 with a shell, 4 without. And then I have 2 that don't have the shell that I'm going to plant in my planter box here with some composted soil. Then if these start to grow, I can harvest this stuff during the summer, and then I can move this in during the winter. So there it is. I tilled up this ground a little bit, put 4 in without the shell, 1 with the shell, and 2 here without the shell. And I can just hold these up real quick. This is what they look like in the bag. So you can see this paper-like substance and this black shell around the actual seed inside. And all I did was I just held that against the blade of a knife and squeezed it, and it cracked. And then I would just carefully pry off the shell. And then all that's left to do is I'll come in, I'll just put a little water. Now this potted plant here will just sit here. And until I have to move it inside because of colder weather. I'll let it sit out here in the full sun. I will, see, I'm still getting bit. I will wet these down. And there you have it. So we will see you back here. We'll do a couple of updates when the sprouts appear. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you soon.